Wow, I'll be honest, I've never checked out Greenfield Village, but I might have to visit this summer.
Yeah, with the weather being so wishy-washy though, I hope we just can get some sunshine.
Yeah.
What do we think, Dan?
Well, we went from bathing suits and tanning, summer-like weather, to winter weather in 24 hours. Will that roller coaster weather continue? Find out after the break.
So good.
All right, I'm Weather Specialist Daniel Sawicki. Currently we sit at a temperature of 42 degrees outside. That's roughly about 10 degrees below average for this time of year. We have dew points currently at 28 degrees. It's fairly dry out, so no moisture to work with in the atmosphere right now. Winds west-northwest at 15 miles an hour and gusting up to about 21 miles an hour out there right now, so a little breezy. As we move forward, looking at the sky tracker, most of the snow and rain is moved up to the north, moving out of the area. You can see some clear conditions taking over. It should warm things up outside right now. As we go forward, looking at the current radar right here, not much activity to speak of here in Mount Pleasant. All that activity just to the north of us, you can see as we move forward. Over the last 24 hours with all that snowfall that we got yesterday on and off and throughout the night, received up to ½ an inch here in Mount Pleasant. Gaylord up to the north seen about 2 inches. Down to the south there was roughly just a trace of snow. Looking at our national temperatures currently, we sit about 46 with that clearing outside, warming it up out there for us here in Mount Pleasant. 53 in Chicago. Down south is where all the warmth is. 81 in Little Rock, 79 in Atlanta, and then 80 down here in Miami. Some of this warmer will start to move in as we go into the next 24 to 48 hours. Locally, again, we sit at 46 here. Pretty much 46 to 47 throughout the area. We're starting to get some clearing, making it warmer out there. As we look at our hourly temperatures going forward, tonight we'll drop down to about 30 degrees for a low. About 11 a.m. tomorrow, 42. We should get up to high around 49 to 50. As we go forward, let me move over here for you guys. You can see by Thursday, we can get up all the way up to 72 degrees. So we're going to continue that roller coaster of up and down. And then as we go into the weekend, those temperatures again will drop into the roughly the low 40s. And there's a potential maybe again for snow Saturday. We'll have to keep an eye on that as we go forward. And the temperature outlook for the next 6 days continue to show below average temperatures with roughly a 60% range, staying below average. As we go early into next week, we might start to warm up a little bit into the low 60s. We'll keep an eye on that as well. Locally, the winds are about 14 miles an hour, roughly 10 to 15 miles an hour throughout the area. Throughout all of Michigan, roughly 10 to 20. That is making it feel more like the mid to upper 30s out there right now. And right there, showing that right now, about 37 locally, it feels like throughout the area. And as we go forward in time, as far as precipitation outlook for the rest of the month, should be about average, so maybe roughly 1 to 2, possibly 3 inches the rest of the month, but nothing overwhelming, which is good as we need to dry out from all the rain that we did receive earlier in the month. And I will pass it back to Rachel.
Hi everyone, I'm Megan Weber, and as you guys know, spring is here. What exactly does that mean? That means that we're going to be seeing a lot of variance in terms of our weather. It also means that you're probably going to need a winter coat in the morning, and you're going to need to remove some of those layers as of the afternoon, as it will get very warm in the afternoon. So we're going to see some rain on Wednesday night into Friday morning. Our highest temperature that we're going to be seeing this week is on Thursday at 75 degrees, and then our lowest will unfortunately be tonight at 28 degrees. But I guess the good thing about that is that the temperatures are just going to rise from there. And then taking a look at our future skycast, as I said, that rain is going to begin on Wednesday, and that's just going to continue kind of sporadically throughout the end of the week. We're going to see a little bit of clearance on Friday, and then as of Saturday, we're going to see some of that rain come back up into our area, but we will see some clearance again on Sunday and into Monday. So hopefully we can see some of those sunny skies again coming up. So just as a quick little summary of that, we're going to see our highest precipitation chances on Wednesday and Wednesday night, on Thursday night, on Friday through Saturday night, and then it should be clearing up from there. But as for tonight, we are going to see temperatures at 44 degrees at 7 o'clock, and that's going to drop down to 32 degrees as it will be nice and clear tonight. And then that will drop again to 29 as of 7 in the morning, and it'll be mostly sunny in the morning. Winds are going to be moving from the northwest at 3 miles per hour, so winds will be nice and steady with that. And then for our extended forecast, so tomorrow our high is going to be 55, and then on Thursday we're going to see temperatures rise back up to 75 degrees. We're going to see that chance of showers on Thursday. And then on Friday, temperatures are going to be at 62. Those are going to drop down to 45 on Sunday. And then we're going to be seeing those clear skies on Monday and into Tuesday. So
Thank you, Megan.
you're very welcome.